Right, guys. Good evening. I will be taking you on the basics, the introduction 001 of crypto fast as possible. I'm doing this I'm dropping this at night so that you can basically download it if you want to with 9 MB because I suspect it's going to be huge. That's the MB. So you can download it with 9 MB and then watch it or watch it the day after. Then give feedback on the group so we can proceed. The goal is to drop every night so that at least you can watch the day after it. So okay, let's go. Now, what's cryptocurrency? I think everybody already know a bit of what cryptocurrency is. I'll be dropping this PDF for you. It's for the basics of basic. Now, cryptocurrency is a digital payment system. What does that mean? It simply means that it's not physical, it's digital. Some people call it internet money. That's the name they called it initially, but it's digital and is decentralized. Those are two important things you should know about it. It means decentralized means there is no central person that has power. No body, no person, no organization has a major say in how cryptocurrency work. It's kind of like, I would have said kind of like democracy, but even in democracy there's a federal government and all, but this is a system where power belongs to the people. There's nobody is above another person. Everybody has equal rights and equal access to cryptocurrency. There's no federal body who makes it, who tells you how much there's a limit to how much you can send, how little you can send. No, here you do whatever you want. That's why it's called decentralized. There's no power centralized in one place. Power is spread to everybody. That's what decentralization is about. So cryptocurrency exists purely as digital entries on an online database. Now, the first crypto was Bitcoin. Everybody knows that crypto is short for cryptocurrency. So the first was Bitcoin, and that's important. But just put that in your mind. I will explain why as the first it is very important. And Bitcoin was founded in 2009, and majority of people who trade cryptocurrency, they trade for profit. They try to make money. That's basically why you're here. That's basically why I am into crypto too. We're trying to make money, and we make money by speculating. What do we speculate? We speculate, is price going to go higher? Is price going to go lower? That's what we mean by speculating. Kind of like, I will not say guessing, predicting. And predicting what coin is going to go higher and what coin is going to go lower. So, okay, you can read up digital currencies on yourself. And then, basically, before we go further, let me state this. There are two types of cryptocurrencies. There is Bitcoin, which is the first, and there is something called altcoins. Altcoins are short for alternate coins, which is simply a general name for any coin that is not Bitcoin. So you either have Bitcoin or altcoins. Now, altcoins are divided into a lot of other coins where you see Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, Phantom, Cadena, IOTX, so many others, so many other coins. They are all altcoins. Either they are Bitcoins or altcoins. Now, cryptocurrency runs on a distributed public ledger called a blockchain. Now, you can read all of this, and then units of cryptocurrencies are created through a process called mining. Good, you can read up all of that. Okay, let's keep going. Other examples of cryptocurrencies, I've explained that Bitcoin, Litecoin, Doge, all of that, they're all altcoins. If it's not Bitcoin, it's an altcoin. And as many other examples as you can think of, all altcoins, alternate coins, alt, A-L-T. So now, categories of cryptocurrencies. Now, before we go into these categories, there's something I want to explain to you using the blockchains. Now, cryptocurrencies are broken into, now I've told you there is Bitcoin and there's altcoins. Now they are also broken down into blockchains. What do I mean by blockchains? Think of now Bitcoin has its own blockchain, which means uh, it operates its own chain, it operates its own system. Now, other cryptocurrencies exist like Ethereum, which also have their blockchain. Now, think about blockchain as a street. Think about blockchain as a street and a coin as a single house. Now, the first house on that street is the major coin on that blockchain, is the coin that the blockchain functions with. So, for instance, Ethereum is the first coin on the Ethereum blockchain. In fact, the Ethereum blockchain was built around the Ethereum coin. So, anything that is done on Ethereum is, what's it called now? Is uses Ethereum to pay. Now, how do I explain this? In Benin, there's something called Odionwiri. I don't know if, okay, maybe you guys know it. Okay, let me use another example. Let's say a blockchain is a country and the coins in it are the states. So let's say the capital of the country is the major coin. So, and the blockchain will be named after the coin. Does that make sense? So if, for example, Nigeria is a blockchain, the major coin in Nigeria will be Abuja. And then other coins can build, other states can build in that blockchain, other coins can build there. So we have Lagos, we have Ekiti, we have Edo, we have Ondo. And so exactly that's how it works. So when you send and receive that chain, it works on that chain. So if you're transporting yourself within Nigeria, and then every payment system will work using the Naira. So and that's the currency of Abuja. So every coin uses the Naira as fee. But if you go to another blockchain, which is another country like say America, there you have Tokyo, Tokyo is not America. There you have Atlanta, there you have New York, you have Washington DC as different coins, and the major coin will be Washington DC.